Hello everyone. In today's video we are going to discuss the air inlet plenum valve vacuum actuator and the flap door for AC cars. This is in the cowl area on the passenger side behind the screen, and you really can't see it unless you look for it, and obviously you can't get it out until you take the screen out in that area. This is the old unit that I took out the other day, and this is the replacement unit. I decided to go with a new actuator, as you see here, and a new door assembly. This one is just a little worn here and here. Not that that would make much of a difference, but I thought it was time. As you can see, the new actuator is basically the same. The stem's a little bit different on the newer one. It's a little longer. I'm going to flip these over, go over some of the hardware that's included with the kit. Okay, this particular stem is held in by a cotter pin, and the same here, only the cotter pin here was a little bent in the kit, so I straightened that out. No big deal. Here's some of the hardware. This is from the old door. If you buy the new door assembly, which I recommend if you ever decide to do this job, it comes with a hardware kit. So it comes with new bolt screws. Also comes with the two attaching nuts like here. And there's also some spring clamps that I had ordered extra for another purpose. The actuator also comes with its own attaching nuts, so I just used them. I just got to straighten out the cotter pin here and bend it over. But basically, that is what's going on, and the reason being is because we're not getting any airflow through the vents on the inside of the car. So hopefully, between this and adjusting the diverter door inside the car in the heater box area, we'll be able to get some airflow and move on. So I will keep you posted and have another video once this gets installed. All right, catch you later.